What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode. I'm really glad to have you here with me on this Monday. I really want to prove to you today that you don't need anything more than a cell phone to shoot some really effective and cinematic vlogs. So let's check it out. As you guys know, I am a member of a ton of different Facebook groups that are geared towards small creators and YouTube and things like that. And the one question that I see all of the time, everybody's asking, what type of camera should I have, or what type of gear should I have to shoot really cinematic things? I'm telling you right now, you don't need anything but a cell phone. It's all in the way you do it. It's all in your technique. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna run outside. I'm gonna film a really cinematic sequence with my cell phone. I'm gonna bring the 80D along. So let's go do it. All right, so it's really crappy outside. It just got done raining, but what's awesome is that your phone, pretty much waterproof. I'm gonna run out, I'm gonna shoot some stuff, and we'll put together a nice sequence for you to see that all you need is a cell phone. There's no doubt in my mind that my neighbors think I am insane. So we just shot an entire cinematic sequence on my phone. Especially if you guys are just starting out and you don't want to spend all your money on camera gear, there is no shame in using your phone. I know tons of guys in the game that have been vlogging for a long time that use their phones still to this day. And hell, there's even movies coming out in 2018 that are shot entirely on a cell phone. I used to use my phone all the time, but with my video and photography business, I have access to a bunch of different camera gear, and I'm a gearhead, so I really like to use my camera gear. But just know that if you cannot afford camera gear, you can absolutely get compelling and cinematic shots with a cell phone. Is it hot in here? God, it's definitely hot in here. All right, we're gonna wrap this up. Thank you guys for hanging out with me on this dreary Monday. If you guys want to learn more techniques about video and photography that can make your lives easier, make sure to hit that subscribe button on the way out and join me every single Monday, Wednesday, and Friday for brand new content. And if you wouldn't mind, go hit that thumbs up. We'll see you guys later.